One of the most difficult things you can do when you present is get video recorded, like I'm doing right now. My name is Kevin Karschnik, and I'm the co-author of Corporate Ovations, your roadmap to more effective presentations. And I want to welcome you to your upcoming iSpeak workshop. In class, you'll get video recorded. You'll get feedback on things that you do well. You'll get feedback on areas to improve, and you'll be given new ideas and new techniques that you could implement in the future. So bring a real business idea. Think about a conference call where you have to speak. Think about a team meeting where you're having to give a project update. Or think about that opportunity when you're standing on a big stage in front of hundreds of people delivering your message. Bring that idea. Be ready to stand, be ready to speak, and be open to feedback. We look forward to seeing you in the class soon.